Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Glen Falls, New York, weighing in at 220 pounds, Neil.
Big-time singles matches on deck here. And Byron, what should we expect to see here tonight?
Well, given the shape these superstars appear to be in here tonight, I fully expect to see one of the most competitive matches we've seen in a very long time.
I'd say he appears to be at the top of his game right now.
Well, he's going to need to be if he wants to survive this match, that's for sure.
His opponent from Glen Falls, New York, weighing in at 220 pounds, County.
Guys, this one promises to be absolutely amazing.
But as they say, promises are made to be broken, Michael. Though in this case, I think we're safe.
I remember the last time he looked this motivated, guys.
That's a scary thought, Cole. Even before tonight, I don't think I've seen too many superstars more motivated than him.
Okay, let's get this match going.
Here we go.
Sudoku driver.
Great agility there.
Yet another counter.
It's like they're both somehow one step ahead of each other.
Way up, way down. What a sit-out spine buster. Not showing much fight here.
Yeah, he looks absolutely out of it, Cole.
Looks like he might be setting up. Oh, wait a minute.
How bad do these two want to destroy each other?
Oh, don't do this!
This is egregious.
Superplex to the outside.
Back in from the floor.
Hooked up and drop suplex.
To the midsection.
That is a great reversal.
Effectively using the knee.
Hammerlock.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Here we go. Kinshasa.
Will that be the deciding factor?
His shoulders are down. Looking to catch him off guard there, I guess.
Still a lot more fight left.
Head crank.
He's going for it all.
Perched up top.
Diving knee drop.
Beautiful gator roll. Going to the top rope once more. Another amazing singles contest. These two never cease to entertain the WWE Universe. Perhaps thinking about what to do next here.
Not the fall that hurts, it's the sudden stop at the end.
Oh, read him there.
Launched with a belly-to-belly. He's struggling a bit here.
He's not looking great, but never count him out.
Oh, saw it coming.
Gets out of the way.
And fast. On the apron.
The hardest part of the ring.
I just can't get over the physicality of this match. It has been absolutely brutal.
Harsh impact.
Oh, look at this awesome Sicilian barrage.
The buffet of punches. Lightning fast reflexes.
Launched with a belly-to-belly.
You know, this is just one of those matches you want to sit back, relax, and just take it in.
German suplex.
Inverted suplex.
This match may be nearing its limit.
He can't recover from.
He thinks he has it. And at some point, he's going to start wondering what it's going to take to put him away.
Here we go. Kinshasa.
This is his chance. Will he seize the moment? Another.
It could be over here. We've got some time to take another look at some of the highlights from that one.
He ain't messing around. Check this out.
Here is your winner, Neil.
Big pinfall victory here tonight.
That's a big win any day of the week, on any show, in any arena, Michael.
The crowd here tonight certainly seemed to appreciate the efforts. What a great match.